Hello. In this video, I will examine the momentum reversal detector indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us identify market momentum using the CCI indicator. And on the chart, it shows us the magnitude of this momentum. It also displays the divergence of this momentum with the price in such a way that when we have histograms with negative values pointing down.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Downwards, it indicates that we have a negative CCI and a bearish momentum. And when we have positive histograms pointing upwards, it indicates that we have bullish momentum. The colors of these histograms are such that when they are gray, it indicates neutrality or weak momentum, and the yellow color indicates increased momentum and the start of high momentum. The blue color indicates even more momentum, and the red color indicates the highest momentum, which we can use as entry confirmations. Also, the green color displayed behind the chart indicates divergence in that area. For example, here we have two peaks, where the second peak is shorter than the first peak. But in terms of price, the second peak is higher than the first peak, and this indicates a divergence. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. The first option in its settings is the level that we have in mind for momentum, which if the CCI indicator's value exceeds this level, we consider it as good momentum and in line with our expectations. And if it is less than the negative of this value, we also consider it as suitable downward momentum. We can enter that number here. The next option is the period of the CCI indicator, which we can also specify here. And the last option is the number of candles that it goes back on the chart and performs calculations on. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.